SMCI is up 2.52% in the regular session of today, the 8th of April 2025. Yesterday, the 7th, it printed its biggest same day gain since the 11% gain it printed at one time in March of this year. And it was also the best performer of the S&P of all the S&P 500 stocks yesterday. So what we're looking at right now is a couple of indications. They're saying that according to JP Morgan, they're saying that Supermicro makes servers for AI data centers, and all its revenue is from hardware sales. And they noted that last week the company would need to raise its global prices by just 4% based on a portion of hardware that will be impacted by the tariffs. Okay, so I think that's quite modest, 4% only. And we're also seeing that NVIDIA semiconductors. They're also not really. They're not part of the. They're not part of the tariffs. But at the same time as well, there's also the tension between and China and the US. It will definitely impact SMCI and indeed Supermicro and all of these. The broader weakness globally is most certainly it will affect and may begin to affect the AI revolution that is going on now. The other day, the folks, Jensen Huang and Cisco's chairman, they were talking about inferencing being the next stage, enterprise AI. This is a stage where SMCI also would equally play a very good role. As it is right now, enterprise AI is not really there. It's not hasn't really started to play out. So who knows what's going to happen to that next phase that we are trying to get into now, given what's going on right now. Nobody knows how long this stance from Donald Trump will be, how long it's going to last. You know, because it's quite tight. He's really bent on this rebalancing and cutting out fraud and all that stuff that has been going on. So let's just see and let's remain positive and see what's going to come out of all of this. So let's see now. This is its 4-hour chart. Here we can see. Do we have projections? We don't have. We only have. I think we have an upper projection. It looks like it's not an upper projection. It looks like a down projection, 32.63. So regardless of all of that, momentum is expected to slide. Okay, well, it's expected to remain strong and even keep on increasing up till Wednesday the 9th, and then after that, um, yeah, cool off. The momentum is expected to cool off. That's also validated by the extrapolation of its of that's this price pressure momentum. Just giving you give this price momentum gives an indication of what the momentum for the 10-day for the various moving averages will be. So it's also getting a validation down here from this price pressure momentum indicator. So momentum will cool off and then maybe begin to pick up by Monday the 14th of April, and then even get stronger than it has been for some time by the 17th of April. So this is the 4-hour chart. No upper projections in play at the moment. So what has been suggested that as things stand right now, SMCI seem to have printed an intermediate low, but it's not an opportunity to buy. This is not time. This is not the main bottom. The main bottom may not even come in till maybe sometime later this year or early next year. So if you're getting in now into SMCI, if you're getting in now, know that this is not the bottom hasn't printed yet. Lower lows are yet to come in. Yet lower lows are yet to come in. If you're getting in there, just know how you're going to play it. Know when to come out. Just know when to come out. It's not over yet. The bottom hasn't come in yet. So let's have a look at the daily chart and see. Here on the daily chart, what do we have? Let's see. Okay, let's have a look at the the extrapolation of its 10-day moving average. We have a slight weakness up till Wednesday the 16th. After that, from the 17th, we have a strength. Strength will pick up. This is a validation of what we saw on that 4-hour chart, and up to Friday the 9th of May, it will remain like that, and then maybe from the 12th it begin to weaken as well. That is also validated by the 10 the price pressure momentum of its of this 10-day moving average. Strength will begin to pick up. Yeah, strength will continue to begin to pick up, even though here it's not really going to pick up from until the 17th of this month. Here, what do we have? Do we have projections? We have downward projection of 31.84. No upper projection at all. No upper projection. Dare I project what could possibly happen in this very short time? Okay, let's take it. Let's take this high of 35 point. This rejection at 35.51, and then take this low of this bottom, intermediate bottom of 29.71. Let's see. Minus 29.71. We have a difference of 5.8. Multiply that by 1.618. We have 9.38. Add that to the current price of 33.75. We have 43.14. Okay, this is really ambitious. 43.14, but do not bank on that. Do not, because it's not unless you just know what you are doing. I'm really taking the risk in projecting this sort of prices. Let's see now. That 5.33. Okay. Minus 27. 27.91, 29.71 minus 29.71, about 5.62. Multiplied by 2.618, we have 14.71. Add the current price of 33.81, we have 48.52. So we have two projections. Don't rely on that, because SMCI hasn't printed a bottom yet. We have 43.14, 48.52. Yeah. There's no guarantee that they will print. Indeed, high prices are projected. We have here 44.50. If you have that already, you could say surely these projections I have 43.14, 48.52, they will print. But just be really careful. We are in a regime of tensions and uncertainty and all of that. So just be really careful, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.